Right, we're rolling. So I added lawnmower wheels to the back, so it'd be easier for Kelly to move the chicken tractor. So this is just, what, honey, a day? This is a day. Okay, you're clear. This is a day. This is what they can do to that in a day. So they fertilize it, tear it up pretty good, but that's what makes it look like that. So we just moved them forward a little bit, and now we're gonna help Mama put all the stones and bags around, because that's what holds it down, keeps predators from reaching up underneath it. All right, okay.
All right, go ahead, guys.
Everybody raid your pools. Mommy's got all the fresh water in today. Big ducks get in the big pool. Little duckies get in the little pool.
Although the little duckies are learning how to get in the big pool. I saw them in there this morning.
Go for it, Daisy. Daisy, jump.
Go ahead, get in. That's Donald.
Oh, Donald.
Go ahead, Donald. Jump in. Go ahead.
Donald usually goes in first, and Daisy waits.
So back up a little bit. Here.
Let's try not to get the fence. There we go.
Here, you want me to put the camera inside?
Oh no, because you're close and then they won't go in.
All right, here we go. Okay, so now they start to bathe. They groom. They love to groom. And it's funny because they're waiting for their fresh water every day. They sit by, wait for me to fill it up. You can see the big ducks are grooming and the little ducks are grooming. They all take turns getting in the water. That one got in and was like, ooh, it's a bit chilly this morning. Oh, I'm so happy I have my fresh water. See them all grooming?
Yeah. Happy ducks.
Happy ducks. They love their water.
All right, well, I think it's goat time.
Yep, it is. It's go time.
Who do you want? Who you calling for? Is that your... Who is that? Caramel, get down. Your ma.
Who are you gonna call? Who are you gonna call?
Caramel, get off the fence.
Who are you gonna call?
Ma. Otherwise, they'd be doing it non-stop. But of course, since I'm trying to film, they're not gonna say ma. See? What's up, Sister B? Hey, B. What's up, girl? Yeah.
So, I'm gonna do the
Caramel, why you always gotta hog the attention, huh? Why you always gotta hog the attention from B? What? Okay. Listen to her griping over there. Listen to her griping over there, girls. Kevin, what's up, bub? He's like, yeah, whatever. Caramel. See, so a lot of goats foam at the mouth like this, like a llama.
Oh, what does Mommy have?
Oh, Mommy's got the grains.
Mommy's got the grains.
You got Fort Knox here because they
Whoa,
constantly. Here, let me hold the grain for you. Huh?
Mom, the grain, Mommy. Please, Mommy. Mom.
Okay.
All right, who's ready for some grain? Follow me, Daddy.
Coming.
Okay. So our goats don't like to stand in the wet. All right, hold on. That's Caramel's.
Fight.
Come on, Sister B. Over here. Sister B, over here. Good job, baby.
See, that
We
way they're
love
not.
our grain, Mama.
We used to have them on the same side, but they were just fighting
Actually
back
smells
and forth.
pretty good. It smells like I don't know if you ate like a trail. What is it called, honey? The oats, like the crunchy stuff you put in Raisin Bran and stuff.
Yeah, like grape nuts or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It actually smells pretty good.
Mommy's
Not that
dumping the
I'm gonna
old
eat dog
water.
food, but, you know,
You can see the flies we have out here.
I might.
Wonderful. Because of these wonderful
Actually, that's pretty
youngsters.
good. That water's good.
But I had a fly, see the fly catcher thing back there? And the pigs knocked it down, so we're gonna have to pick up a couple and hang them out here. But they work really well.
Okay, and then this is on here to keep it dry. Because
Yeah,
if
it's
they're
pressure treated.
hay, if they're alfalfa gets wet and it molds, and then if they eat it, it's really bad for them.
Yeah, it's nice and green
Sister
still.
Bee and Caramel, you guys have 2 buckets. Come on, Caramel, right here.
That's a 4x8
She's like, Sister Bee
piece
isn't
of,
my food, Mommy. Come on.
I think it's
Here,
what,
Caramel.
1/2-inch plywood. Does
Sister
the job.
Bee, come here.
Got the same
Sister
one
Bee,
on
hey.
Moby's truck over there too.
Sister Bee. What's Mama got? Mama's got green.
You guys got your own right there, girl.
Green.
They just want to eat your own. They just want to eat together, probably.
There you go.
Okay, girls.
Good job.
So 2 girls. And their brush. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, Betsy? What's up? Kevin, how you doing, bud? What's up, Kev? Betsy, how you doing, baby? How you doing? You smelling Daddy? You smelling Daddy's leg? Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? Okay. All right, guys, you're next.
All right, so the pigs get the all-stop, and then they get hog feed, but their favorite thing, watch this.
That's the all stock.
Hog feed.
That's the hog feed.
But their favorite is this.
Bam.
Whole kernels. Watch, look at their face.
Oh, they already know.
What's Mommy got? Who wants some corn? Who wants some corn? Come on.
Treats.
Get some corn. Who wants some corn? Ooh, Mommy's got corn.
They've already been fed.
They've already been fed. We're going to add a little bit of corn this morning so you guys can kind of see. I try to mix it up with the rest of their food so that they eat everything.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they just want to eat the corn. Huh? They just want to eat the corn.
They're
Who's
such
this?
good
This is
pigs.
Betsy or
And
Kevin?
she wouldn't be touched. You know what I mean? Like when we went and got them, remember, Kelly?
Yeah,
they
didn't
would
want to
not be touched. It was so
but
hard
now they're like, Mommy,
Love
rub my back.
They couldn't get
I
enough.
need a massage. See, this
cannot.
one is looking for little lovins this morning, huh?
If you scratch him hard enough on the side, he lays down. This is Kevin.
Say, we love you, Mama, Daddy.
Kevin, 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 Kevin. Love you, buddy. You're a good boy. Okay. Yeah, they know it's shower time. All right, I'm gonna go get the hose ready and bring it over.
Who wants Tubby? Who wants Tubby?
Every
Tubby,
morning.
Tubby, Tubby, Tubby. No Tubby this morning? No one wants Tubby? Who wants a Tubby?
She bites at it. This one is there.
Ready? Who wants a Tubby? Who wants a Tubby? Yay! You guys are dancing this morning.
The rain's
Right
coming.
from the hose, Mom. Right from the hose. You want me to fill up your pool?
Yeah.
You want a pool?
They like wallowing in the water and their poo-poo. Luckily, we got a ditch back there.
Pool. Just for Kevin Bacon, because he loves his pool.
What's up, Kev?
I like to sit by the pool and eat my corn.
What's up, buddy boy?
Right? You want a
Come on,
tubby?
Bubba. Looks like you're not digging it this morning.
You guys aren't digging it this morning. Oh, it's Betsy who likes the tubby. Betsy! Betsy!
She's trying to get away.
Betsy! Betsy! Who wants a tubby? Betsy's so excited! Yay! Oh,
Kevin.
Betsy!
Betsy, what the heck?
What are you doing?
You're laying on the corn.
Get out of there, you silly pig!
I guess they don't want to get wet this morning.
No, they're not digging it this morning.
Probably because they know they're going to get wet. There you are, Psycho. Psycho pig.
Betsy boo!
Psycho
Betsy
pig.
boo!
Psycho pig. Just got all dirty and muddy. Gross girl. Kevin, what you doing, buddy? You got it itchy?
Got an itch.
Got me wet, Mama. I'm itchy.
Oh, Mama, come rub me. Mama, rub me. Mama, rub me. Oh, Mama.
Kevin, why don't you come lay down, Bubba?
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you get the rub down of a lifetime?
Can I lay down? Oh. I hope he does it. Lay down. Come on, Kevin, lay down.
Probably too wet.
Oh.
He likes the dry dirt.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right there.
He wants
right
that
there.
pool, man.
Right there,
He
Mom.
wants that pool.
Oh, there he
Yeah.
goes.
He's gonna lay down in the...
There he goes. Oh, we're gonna lay down. right here. I have an itch right here, Mom. Oh, you're not getting it. Where's that? Where's the itch, Bubba? Where's the itch? Tell Mama where the itch is. Usually he like lays down and stretches out while I
bet he wants some attention. And see this behavior that he does when he comes on the side of her like this, and he's just being loving really when he nudges her. See, like when he gets close to her like that, but when he gets his tusks, it's gonna be dangerous being next to him like that. Absolutely. All it takes is one head movement, he will gash you pretty good.
Not intentionally.
Not intentionally, yeah, just out of play.
They don't understand. It's kind of like Moby doesn't really understand that he has the big horns.
Right.
You want to bite the hose.
What's that water?
You know, they're only 32 weeks old, so they're still babies. You know, they like to play like babies.
Hey, buddy. Want a treat? Here. Want a treat? Have a treat. Have a treat. Good job, buddy. Good job. You even got it through the wire. Here, let's go over the fence this time. Want another one? Want another one, Mobers? No? Want to finish chewing that one? Good job, buddy. So gentle. You're a good boy. Love you, dude. He doesn't like his horns touched, but he does love a nice snout rub. Yeah. I love you, bud. Love you, buddy. Yesterday he rammed me. I don't know if it was because he was just, you know, being protective of Kelly. He really loves Kelly a lot. He'll come in and just snuggle up with her. He's the sweetest little guy. What's up, buddy? I know. Want another treat? Okay. I just wanted to introduce Moby to you guys. He's our sweet boy. And he's in rut right now. And as soon as he's out of rut, we're gonna introduce him to the girls, right, buddy? You can't eat the phone. You cannot eat the phone. But we'll introduce you to the girls. They're waiting for you. This is his temporary enclosure. Keep him out of the shade, keep the rain off of him. It drains off into the back ditch back here that runs all the way past, all the way up to the front, all along those Eureka palms. So we're slowly getting there. That shed right there, we're gonna turn it into a barn and open it up just so that the animals can free roam the property. We'll open up all the gates, and then the animals can just walk along the property. As you can see, it's getting kind of dark. It's gonna rain on us. But next adventure is gonna be our garden back there, right there where that empty space is.